In this video, I will show you how to access and download the Epstein files officially directly from the United States Department of Justice website. First, it's important to clarify one thing. These are not leaked or unofficial documents. All of these files have been released publicly by the U.S. Department of Justice. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official website, justice.gov. This is the official website of the U.S. Department of Justice. Step 2. After entering the website, scroll down slightly on the page. As you scroll, you will see several different options appear. Step 3. From these options, look for the section titled DOJ Disclosures, including disclosures under the Epstein Files Transparency Act, H.R. 4405. Click on this option. Step 4. Once you click it, a new page will open. At the very top of this page, you will see a heading that says Epstein Files Transparency Act, H.R. 4405. Click on this text. Step 5. After clicking it, the Epstein files will open on your screen. From here, you have two main options. Option 1, you can download the files in zip format, organized by parts. Option 2, or you can open the files directly online and view them one by one without downloading everything at once. The most important thing to remember is this. All of these documents are official and publicly released by the Department of Justice. This is not a third-party website, this is not speculation, and this is not unofficial material. This video only shows how to access the files. It does not explain or analyze the contents of the documents. How you read them and how you interpret them is entirely up to you. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it. And for more factual, step-by-step informational videos, make sure to follow the channel. Thank you.